How's it going, YouTube? Today we're working on a Mitsubishi Mirage. Pretty simple door panel to work on. All you should need is a plastic pry bar and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, we're going to go ahead and remove 4 screws, or 6 in total, but the first 4, you're going to have one on the corner over here, one in the grab handle, one behind the door handle, and you're going to have one on the opposite corner on the side over here. So we'll go ahead and remove those 4. Alright, now that we have those 4 screws removed, now we actually need to pry up on this little plastic piece right here. I've already kind of got mine started, but just kind of use your fingernail if you have to, then try to make enough room for your plastic pry bar, or if you have a pick, you might be able to pull up on it, or a flathead. Just be careful because you don't want to ruin the plastic. There's a bunch of just random clips all throughout, so you kind of just have to work it all the way down, and then it'll just slowly pop off. And then once you get enough room, you should be able to just pry up on it. Kind of like so. And you're going to have one wiring harness, and then once you get it off, you're going to have 2 more screws right here. But first we'll go ahead and pop the wiring harness. It's just a little push clip. And then we'll go ahead and remove our 2 screws. These are silver, so just remember that when you're putting these back in, they go underneath the armrest. So you should have 6 screws in total. So you're gonna have 4 black ones that we took off first, and then the 2 silver ones are the ones that are underneath that armrest. Alright, now that we have all 6 screws out, we can go ahead and pop the door panel. I like to start at the bottom. There is actually a little cutout down here that once again you can put your plastic pry bar in. And it should give you enough room to go ahead and make your first pop. And kind of work around. Make sure your wiring harness isn't pulling. And then once you get all the clips popped, you should just be able to kind of shimmy up. Kind of like so. So that's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. Alright, now we're on the front door panel. Pretty much the same process. We do have one less screw. We don't have the screw over here closest to the car. But we do have a cover that we need to take off. So once again, grab your plastic pry bar. There's only like one clip, I believe, holding these on. Just kind of make yourself some room. Yeah, so you just have one little clip up top. It kind of slides in towards the bottom, punches in up top. We'll go ahead and take our 3 screws out. We got the one behind the door handle, one behind the grab handle, and then the one on the side over here. Alright, once again, we need to pop this plastic cover off. If you have nails, it's a little bit easier, but you kind of just like try to find a gap. And I want to say there's 2 clips holding this one on. I think it's like one up front and then one towards the back. We have 2 wiring harnesses on this one. Both of them are still push pins. And once you get that out of the way, it shows our 2 silver screws that we need to take out. Alright, now that we have our 2 silver screws out, you should have 5 in total. Grab your plastic pry bar, find that little gap. Just kind of work your edges. Make sure your wiring harness is tucked once again. And you should just be able to shimmy up. And there you have it. So that is the front and the rear door panel on a Mitsubishi Mirage. Thanks for watching.